Hi, my name is Jordan Spalding. I'm with Wild Birds Unlimited, and me and Megan Miller led the first Wild Birds Unlimited sponsored bird hike. We did this hike over at the Running Deer Natural Area. While we were there, we saw about 40 species. A lot of people here got lifers while they were there, which was great for them. That's a bird you've never seen before. Here's an osprey we saw. They did some nice dives over our heads. We had about 12 people. Most people had their own binocs, but everyone got to try out the Vortex Viper scope and 10x42 optics.
They look a lot different. So there was a whole family of them down here like last weekend or the weekend before. So I really hope that they're still there and we can see them.
Our future hikes are coming up. They fill up quickly, so be sure to sign up soon if you're hoping to see some birds that you've never seen before, things you're not going to usually see in your backyard.
We've got the red tail in the scope if you guys are showing off now, aren't you?
All right, thanks.